Easy Go. Junk removal and hauling. Huh. Wonder what we're up to now. Whoa, refrigerator. Yep, we're here picking up a refrigerator in Sahuarita, Rancho Sahuarita at that. This one gave up the ghost, and so I'm doing El Solo, but guess what I have? I have a lift gate. Might not even need it. I may just tip it over and drive it in. Easy Go is making junk disappear. Give us a call. Just like that, that refrigerator is gone, and I did pick it up. Put it in the back of that, and we are ready to roll to the next one. Easy Go, easy gone. We're making junk disappear.